Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make zucchini cake. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and prepare a greased 9-inch pan. Grate 2 medium zucchini and squeeze out excess moisture with a towel. Whisk together 1/2 cups flour, 1 tsp baking soda, 1/2 tsp salt, and 1 tsp cinnamon. Mix eggs, oil, and sugar, then fold in zucchini and dry ingredients gently. Bake 35 to 40 minutes and cool before slicing. Gather your ingredients and have them ready at your workspace. Grate zucchini and pat it dry to remove extra water that can thin the batter. Whisk dry ingredients separately to distribute leavening and spice evenly. In another bowl, beat eggs with sugar, then slowly add oil for a smooth, emulsified mixture. Fold the zucchini and nuts into the batter gently to keep the cake tender and fluffy when baked. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite makes following recipes simple because you can read recipes anywhere without worrying about spills or counter space. It has a glare-free display and long battery life, which is great for long baking sessions or cookbooks on the go. Check the description for the link and other deals. Then now let's get back to the video. Keep your mixing gentle to avoid developing gluten in the batter. Use a toothpick test near the center to confirm a moist but set crumb. A few crumbs are fine. Rotate the pan halfway through baking if your oven has hot spots for even color. Allow the cake to cool slightly in the pan, then transfer to a rack so steam escapes and the texture sets properly before slicing and serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.